We now take a look at how to disconnect the PD measurement setup of an HVA28 and the PD30E.
Before you start, make sure that you comply with all the safety regulations in force in your specific country and that you have familiarized yourself with the operating instruction of the devices as well as the safety instruction of the corresponding devices. Also become familiar with your measurement environment. It's mandatory to obey the 5 safety rules at all time. Switch off the device on the test, secure against re-energizing, discharge and proof dead, ground and short circuit, and cover and close off nearby live parts. Now we start.
In the first step, we perform the following points. We switch off the units.
We start with the HVA emergency off. Then the HVA main switch. To lock the HVA in a disabled state to prevent against unauthorized use, we remove the key. Before we switch off the PD unit, we discharge and earth the DUT.
Then we press the PD main switch. During the second step, we disconnect the power supply cables from the power supply plug.
We disconnect the power supply cable from the HVA.
Then we disconnect the power supply cable from the PD30E if mains is connected. In the third step, we disconnect the communication ports. We disconnect the USB cable between the PC and the PD30E. In step 4, we disconnect the test lead. We disconnect the test lead between the HVA and the PD30E.
We disconnect the test lead.
In the final step, we disconnect all earth cables. We disconnect the HVA earthing cable. We disconnect the earthing cable between the PD30E and ground. And finally, we disconnect the earthing cable from the DUT. We disconnect the far end accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like more information about B2 and our products, please visit our website. And if you have any technical queries about your B2 device, please contact our technical support at support@b2hv.com.